So this was supposed to be like an iPhone X like unboxing, like oh my god what's on the phone girl type of video, except I just bought my new iPhone X and it is back ordered until January. So y'all caught me, okay? I filmed this like 2 months ago and I'm just uploading it now. Just you can unsubscribe, but you're probably not subscribed yet. Okay, it doesn't, okay. So what we're gonna do is instead show you guys my iPhone XYZABCBDRQLMNO54107 quadruple QWERTY, what is that thing again? That's a lot of people's passwords. I'm gonna show you guys my current iPhone, and yes, it's an old iPhone, but Apple's acting trifling right now, so this is the best I can do. Anyways, let's go ahead and get, oh my god, I hated that so much. So if we start with the app features on my phone, the first thing is this is its case, and why did I just do that? This is my phone's case and I keep my driver's license in it. I'm not going to show it to you guys because I kind of look like, it doesn't even look like a mugshot. It looks like they took a picture of me and I was dead, like straight up. Okay, I'm gonna stop doing that. That was a lot. So here's the phone. This is my home screen. It currently has a picture of a person on it. Yeah, and then you open it and it's organized like by color because I'm anal. Watch, like just watch. Do you see that? It's brightening on its own. And then I'll go, and then you guys can't really see this, but I'll bring the brightness all the way down, okay? And then watch. Oh, is she gonna do it again? Oh, maybe she didn't do it again. Oh my god! Wow, okay, let's see how long this will last. So here she is, my phone. I still have this trivia crack game, which do y'all remember when trivia crack was like actual crack and people like could not get over it? I still have the game. I don't play it anymore. What's new? Gymnastics. Oh my god, guys. Wait, now I have to like play this for a little bit until I lose. The screen, and then we move on to the next screen. And what do I have here? I can't even like see. Oh, I play Sudoku every morning. Like I'm that type of person. Like I'm crazy. Like I'm actually crazy. If you didn't know, hey, my name's, you know, and I'm crazy. All my apps on this one. I have a lot of blue apps. Most of them I don't use. These are all the dark apps. My favorite one is Netflix because girl, get you that free TV. It's not even my account, it's somebody else's account. Time, Fitbod, Cheese, which I don't even understand the concept of Cheese. Like, what is Cheese? I downloaded it and never used it. Nike Fit, haha, don't use that. Bank of America. Oh my gosh, okay. The scariest app for me to open is my Bank of America app because like I literally just don't want to look at how much money I have. Oh my god. I try to check every week, but then like I chicken out. It's so scary. Let me just check my balance. Thank god. Instagram, which I'm trying to use more. Follow me on Instagram, y'all. Really Bumper Shoot, which was, it's a concert in Seattle, or a festival in Seattle, which I don't know why I have that app anymore. I can delete it, but it's not doing me any bad, so. Hello, focus. Oh, I have my Bible app. Yeah, it has some, this better be the, okay. And then we have IGTV, we have Snapchat, we have, ooh, Werewolf. Ooh, this is the best game ever, I promise you. Like, better than any game you'd ever play.
Close your eyes.
Like, if you've never played this game before, best game ever, by the way. I keep looking to viewfinder because I can't see what's...
Okay, chill.
I'm trying to talk, gosh. That's what's there, and then I have book apps that I don't use because I don't read. Okay, we're gonna end this video because I'm literally about to fuck up my phone because she's not with it. But thanks. I'll see you guys. Oh my god. Bye.
Challenge off to the balcony. Here we go. Matthew, are you sure you're ready? Are you sure you want to do this, Matthew? You have to remember. You have to make it swabble. I have a big tip.
I know.
How long do we have to hold it for? I'm scared, dude. I'm scared. You're just slipping? Oh shit, dude. Oh shit. Dude, what the f- Oh shit. Oh shit. Dude, we're fucking in trouble, dude. You're fucking in trouble, dude. Dude, that's not fucking funny, dude.
Mine didn't crack.
Dude, what the fuck, bro? Dude, I'm fucking dead, dude. My sister's gonna kill me. You did this, dude.
I could save it.
Well, I mean, there's nothing we could do now. Okay. This is not good. We'll just throw it away.
Yeah.
Just throw it in the big trash can so nobody sees it. And then we'll just tell them that it went missing.
Yeah, we're missing.
Fuck, dude, aren't we missing a piece? And then there's all the glass on the floor.
That was fun.